Here, I'm gonna show you the other parts of the ship. Nasa 10th floor ako nung kinukuha ko yung video na yan during nighttime. They have entertainment on board, so pwede mong panoorin yan. Different ones every night. Ito naman si ate, nagpapiano siya sa loob ng elevator. Nagre-request ako ng ages pero wala daw sa list. So, ito naman yung promenade area. Meron dyan mga shops, meron ding mga restaurant, and coffee shop. Doon naman sa taas ng deck, andito yung mga ibang activities like the skypad, meron ding flow rider. So I'll show you, this is the area. Merong parang wall climbing wall. And merong maliit na park dito, may parang duyan. Hindi talaga ako fan ng dagat pero this is a very good experience that we'll never forget. Ayoko yung walang nakikitang lupa. Ito yung 3D trampoline kaso sarado that time. And here's a closer look doon sa slide nila. We did not try this. Maliliit pa yung mga bata ang kasama namin. But next time for sure. Dito kami nagpunta yung parang splash pad ng mga kids. Pero itong mga kids na to ang nag-enjoy. Meron silang play area. Ito gumagawa ako ng transition niyan. Ganda kasi sa labas. Tapos ito na yung flow rider. May bayad to, so hindi namin siya ginawa kasi medyo mahal. And this is the top deck of the ship. Pwedeng tumambay lang yan. Sunbathing. It's very relaxing. Kaso ayoko talaga nakikita yung tubig lang.